Hello, welcome to this video. Here we are going to learn Python shell, that is how to start Python shell and write small commands or instruction in Python shell. Now to start Python from command prompt, in search type cmd. Here it will show command prompt. Click on it. It open command prompt window where c:/user/hp, that is the current working path or directory where we are working, where it will understand command. So we type command python. If Python is installed, it will open Python shell. If it is not installed, it will give error. So for example, here on my system, Python 3.13 version is installed, so it will display all this information, and immediately after that it shows 3 greater than sign. That means you are in Python shell where it can understand Python command. For example, here these are the some of the information commands are given. So if I type help over here, it will open help command. Here you can type different information about the help. For example, if I type print, so it will display information about print command. To come out of the help, type Q and enter. You will be in a Python shell back. Now to clear screen, type clear command. Clear command is used to clear screen in Python shell. So press enter, it will clear the screen of Python shell. Now in Python shell, it's 3 greater than sign again. That means it is indication that we are in Python shell. In Python shell, we type basic instructional command, that is print, and in parenthesis we give the message in double quotation or single quotation, that is hi, welcome to Python, and press enter. So same message whatever we type in quotation, that will be displayed. We can include this message in double quotation, single quotation also. So in Python, single or double quotation can be used. So same message will be displayed. Now suppose I will start with some value variable a. A is equal to 10, and if I press enter, so a is equal to 10 is created. To check that one, just simply type a and enter. It will display value of a. Another way to display value of a is commonly again we use print command, print, and in parenthesis we pass a. So it will display value of a. We can display this value of a with message. For example, value of a equal to, as we use in C programming, that is percent %d for integer value, close curly bracket, and sorry, inverted comma, and immediately after that without comma or any space we type percent %a. This is the format of Python, so it will display value of a is equal to 10. Same thing can be given like this, print value of a is equal to, here it can be given as a curly bracket, quotation complete, and dot format in bracket a, bracket complete. So print value of a equal to empty curly bracket, quotation complete, dot format a. A is the variable whose value is to be printed. So it will display value of a is equal to 10 message. Similarly, it can be displayed with this format is little bit difficult. So what we do, print f, and in quotation we write simply value of a equal to, instead of empty curly bracket we pass a in that one, value of a is equal to in curly bracket a. So if you write this, it will display value of a is equal to 10. Another simple message thing is that you can simply type value in quotation, sorry, value of a equal to outside of quotation comma a. If you type like this, it will give like this. Only thing is that difference between all above three and this is it gives a little bit space. Now to come out of the Python shell, we simply type Control Z and enter, or we type Control D. When you press Control D, it directly come out of it. To come out of command prompt, type exit and enter. It will close command prompt as well.